Hey everyone! If you're diving into the world of video editing and looking for some incredible tools that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing AI-driven video editing websites and apps that you can use absolutely free. Let's get started. First up is Clipchamp, a user-friendly video editor that comes packed with powerful AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Clipchamp makes it super easy to trim, cut, and optimize your videos. Plus, it has some neat AI features like automatic text-to-speech and video stabilization. And the best part? It's free with options to upgrade if you need more advanced features. Next, we have HitFilm Express. This is a great choice for those of you who are into effects and compositing. HitFilm Express offers professional-grade VFX tools. And yes, it's totally free. It might take a bit of learning, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be creating stunning visual effects in no time. Moving on, let's talk about DaVinci Resolve. Now, this one is a powerhouse. Not only does it have fantastic color grading capabilities, but its AI features help in facial recognition and scene detection, making your editing workflow much smoother. DaVinci Resolve is a favorite among professional editors, and amazingly, it's free. Fourth on our list is Shotcut. This open-source software might not look as polished as some others, but don't underestimate it. Shotcut supports a wide range of video formats and comes with a host of editing features. It's particularly good for those who want a no-frills, straightforward editing tool. Last but not least, we have Blender. Now you might think of Blender as a 3D modeling tool, but it's also great for video editing. Blender's video editor might be basic compared to others, but it's perfect for simple cuts, splices, and video transitions. Plus, it's totally free and open source. So there you have it, folks, 5 incredible AI video editing tools that you can start using today without spending a dime. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, Instagram, or just for fun, these tools will help you elevate your video content to the next level. Ready to start your video editing journey? Pick one of these tools and dive right in. And hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Catch you in the next one.